This is Black Light. I want Seti and Young Pharaoh. Now Pharaoh, you know he attacks uh, Arabic language, the Arabic language, which is has many phases to it. The Swahili is a form of Arabic and traditional some traditional African languages. You say Abarigani, you know, you say, uh, how you doing, you know, hi. But on the names like Malika, Malika. Malika is meaning, has several meanings. Queen, uh, also uh, angels. It's from the male Malik, you know. And then Swahili is Malek, Maleka, you know. So, you know, when you take on the African languages, you know, uh, you could go back to ancient Egypt and see uh, where some of these terms and names come from. See, but you go beyond that. You could go beyond that also. So Hebrew, you know, you got the sister language, uh, what they call the Jew or the Hebrew language of Arabic, Hebrew. When you say Assalamu alaikum, in Hebrew you say Shalom alaikum. They're so much akin to each other, see, because the Jews' culture was similar to the Muslim culture, but they didn't call the word Muslim or Islam was recently injected. They were more or less into, instead of the wording or the language, they were more into the culture, you know, or the lifestyle. You see, the culture is what we got to understand. What is the culture of a Muslim? One who bows to the will of Allah. You know, Allah has in it 99 attributes, and the 100th is the individual collectively, you know, uh, the black man is Allah, see. I'm talking to Young Pharaoh, you know. Young Pharaoh, he attacked the culture of Islam, not really knowing that you don't know what you're talking about, because this what makes me believe that uh, you are being told what to say by the enemy, because you're attacking the Moors, you're attacking the Nation of Islam, you're attacking those in Egyptology, and causing confusion and division. And right now we don't need that. Like I said in my other videos, is we got to wake up. The alarm clock is going off. Wake up quick. So we're gonna come back. Today's subject matter is y'all got to hurry up and wake up. Black light.